This video is the next video in the coordinate geometry of the line worksheets. In particular, this is looking at coordinate geometry of the line worksheet number 8, which is all about points on a line. So to check if a point is or is not on a line, put the x and y coordinates of the point into the equation of the line. If these x and y values make the statement true, the point is on the line. If they do not make the statement true, the point is not on the line. The best way to understand how this works and if it works is by doing a few examples. So I have 3 examples here that I'm going to go through. The first one here says, are the points A, -2, 1 and B, 1, 5 on the line 2x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. So first of all, we have 2x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. And we have the point A, -2, 1. So all we need to do is sub this point in. So we have here x and y, so we're going to sub that into the equation. So it's 2 times -2 plus 1 plus 3. Now, so we have 2 times -2, which is -4, plus 1 plus 3, which is going to be 4, is equal to 0. -4 plus 4 is equal to 0, so 0 is equal to 0. So this statement is true, so it's on the line. The second one we have then is we have the point B, 1, 5. Again, here we have x and y. Subbing that in, we get 2 times 1 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 0. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 0. So 2 and 5 is 7 plus 3 is 10. So 10 is equal to 0. That's not on the line. Question 2 then has 2 parts, so we have A and B. A starts by asking us, or by telling us that M is the line 2x minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0. It says, is the point -6 minus 5 on the line? So the first thing I'm going to do is write down the point. So if -6 minus 5, we can label that point then x, y, and we can fill that point in. So it becomes 2 times -6 minus 3 times -5 minus 3 is equal to 0. So 2 times -6 is -12. Minus 3 times -5 is +15. Minus 3 is equal to 0. -12 plus 15 is 3. Minus 3 is equal to 0. So we end up with 0 equal to 0. This then is on the line. Part B then says that K, 1, is on the line M. So we know it's on the line, and they want us to find the value of K. So all we do is we're going to label this x, y again, and we sub it into the line. So this will become 2 times K minus 3 times 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. 2 times K is 2K, minus 3 times 1 is -3, minus 3 is equal to 0. So we're going to get 2K minus 6 is equal to 0, plus 6 to both sides. This will become 2K is equal to 6. Divide both sides by 2. And we're going to get that K is equal to 3. And then that's the answer for K. So that's question 1 and question 2 done. Question number 3 then says, does the line 2x plus y minus 2 equal to 0 pass through the origin? So we have 2x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. And they asked, does this line pass through the origin? And the origin is 0, 0. So what we have here is we get x, y. So what we do is we sub that in. So 2 times 0 plus 0 minus 2 is equal to 0. This will become 0 plus 0 minus 2. So that's just going to be -2 is equal to 0. So this point is not on the line. So the origin is not on the line. So that's the first 3 examples done. We're going to look at some of the questions that you're going to be doing now. Questions 1 through 6 ask you to verify, show, or investigate whether a point is on a line. The exact same as question 1, 2a, and 3. So they should be perfectly fine if you've watched the examples. Question 7 then says n passes through the points 2, 3 and 4, find the equation of n. So again, we have the equation of the line, which is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. So we have the 2 points, we sub the points in, and then we get the slope. And the slope, we have m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And we have to then fill it in, and that'll be get the equation of the line for n, and then investigate whether the point minus 2, 1 is on the line. We should be perfectly fine with that. Hopefully it's not too difficult. Question 8, 9 and 10 is very similar to example 2b that I completed. Hopefully if you complete that, it will make those questions quite easy. Question 11 then asks you to investigate whether the points 2, 0, minus 1, 3 and 0, minus 4 are collinear. And I have it there that, remember, if the points are collinear, they're in a straight line. So what you should be able to do is take 2 points and find the equation of the line. You're going to find the equation of the line using the equation of the line formula and the slope. And then the third thing you're going to do is you're going to sub in the other point. And if it is on the line, you know the points are collinear. So that one should hopefully be fine. If there's any problems, I'll go through it. And then question 12, you're just, again, like question 8 to 10, is very similar as example 2b. So all you're doing is you're subbing in the point to figure out what the value of k is going to be. So these questions should be fine. If there is any questions in relation to them, just get in contact with me straight away, send me an email and I'll go through them with you. But that is the end of this video.